If you are a USDC holder, which is the receipt token of the fund, you hold the asset in your wallet and you want to get out of it, you call redeem on the Superstate application, and then a couple of things happen. One, the NAV gets computed. Two, a redemption is requested. The money goes to the custodian. And at the end of the process, you get either USD fiat via wire to your bank account or USDC in your blockchain wallet. Okay, now the problem is this process takes between 1 and 3 days. Why? Because for a traditional asset with the likes of Venmo or otherwise, your request on a Monday, you get your money back on a Tuesday, and then, so that's 1 day. And then if it's a Friday and you request at 10 a.m. on a Friday, you might not get your money back until Monday. This is a problem for a couple of reasons. There are two main use cases for why you want to put assets on the blockchain. The first one is borrowing against it, so using it as collateral on the lending market. And the second one is leverage looping it. To have an asset have a reasonable LTV on a lending market, like the Morpho and the Aves of the world, it's very important that you have instant liquidity to redeem. If this takes 2 days, then you have a problem for liquidators to be able to liquidate the asset. Similarly, if you're lever looping the asset, meaning you start with USDC, you deposit into USCC, you borrow dollars, deposit more USDC, and do this same process a couple of times, the redemption process takes in the order of 5 to 8 days, because you start by removing a little bit of collateral. That takes 1 to 3 days. You get your USDC back, you repay the debt, then you take the USDC back out, you request a redemption, you wait another 1 to 3 days, and the cycle goes on until you've unlooped your whole position. 5 to 8 days is a very, very long time in financial terms.